Hi folks, welcome back to part 2 of the screwdriver fitting video. I've already gotten started a little bit here on our Craftsman screwdriver, trying to narrow it out to a 0.210 width. We needed this started out as about a 0.280, somewhere around there. So we're taking about 35 thousandths off of either side. Doing this, I've got my feeler gauges here. Conveniently, I have the one that is, if I can get it out without bending the other one. We got the one that's 35 thousandths. So I can kind of just put that up here and kind of get an idea of how much more I need to take. And I just barely got started on this, so we've got quite a ways to go. I've just got a file here. I'm coming up about 1/8 of an inch or so. It's looking pretty close. Give it a couple more swipes. Let's flip it over. I don't know if you can see, we're starting to take that edge out, just like that. And to make sure I get it level across, I'm just gonna make a mark there. We can touch it up a little bit if we're slightly off. And if this vise was a little narrower, or the shank of the screwdriver a little longer, I wouldn't have to put the grip of it in there, but it'll work fine. It's rubber, it's pretty resilient. Line that up. And the first few swipes are kind of rough while you're getting lined out. Really starting to go now. There we go. A little bit more. And so I can get something behind that. You can see we're just taking that material off. Looking pretty even. Pretty good. Let's check the width. Try and get to that 0.210. We're sitting a little bit wide still. We're at about a 0.223. Kind of funny, isn't it? So that's not much, but let's just go ahead and sure this filing is going to sound awful on the video, but that's what we'll have to do. Didn't take very much at all with that. Let's get back to it. Just back out. Pretty clean. Let's see. Are we at 210? Yeah. Undershot it a little bit. We're at 2.0. That's fine though. It doesn't have to be exact. That's not a really critical dimension there. We're narrower than the screw by, I don't know, probably at that point 20 thousandths. So that'll be just fine for what we're doing. And now, can we get in focus where you can see what we've got? Just like that. So we're not done yet, but we've got this side-to-side dimension here lined out like we want it to. And we have some burrs here, but at the end we'll clean those up once we finish with the other dimension. So that is your part 2 video. Thanks for watching.